Imagine a future where you can instantly tell if a text was crafted by human hands or generated by artificial intelligence. Google's innovative text watermark technology is making this a reality. This hidden digital signature, undetectable to the naked eye, allows advanced algorithms to verify whether a piece of content originated from an AI. Through techniques like steganography and cryptography, Google ensures that this watermark is secure and effective across a range of uses, from stopping disinformation to preventing plagiarism. Stay tuned to discover how this groundbreaking tool will transform education, business, journalism, and beyond. A text watermark is an amazing new feature that Google is working on developing for content that is generated by artificial intelligence. It is possible to determine whether the information was produced by a human or a computer by using this watermark, which functions as a hidden identifier in text that was generated by artificial intelligence. Consider the possibility of a digital fingerprint being placed directly within the text, something that is not visible to the naked eye, but can be identified by sophisticated algorithms. In the process of writing a narrative or article, an artificial intelligence will insert this hidden mark into the text structure, word selections, and even punctuation. This will enable Google's technology to determine where the story or article originated from. Let's see how it works. In order to ensure that this watermarking mechanism is effective, Google utilizes a number of different techniques. Among these, the first one is steganography, which is a technique for hiding information while it is visible to the naked eye. Steganography allows the watermark to blend in with the text without being detected by human readers, yet it is immediately recognizable by Google's artificial intelligence. It is similar to concealing a signature inside the patterns of the text, so revealing the source. This is accomplished without the content being obviously altered. The second method is cryptography, which guarantees that the watermark will remain safe without being compromised. You can think of it as a seal that is placed on a letter to indicate whether or not it has been altered by anyone. Because cryptography protects the watermark, if someone attempts to change the text that was generated by the AI, the mark will be disrupted, which indicates that there has been a change in the material that was originally generated. Palm 2 and Gemini are two examples of the advanced artificial intelligence models that Google uses to power the watermarking system. This concealed signature is automatically applied by these models each time they generate content, leaving behind a one-of-a-kind identifier that can be traced back to its original source information. In order to identify this watermark, Google has developed specialized tools that are able to search through text for hidden patterns that betray the authorship of an artificial intelligence. Using this tool, which functions similarly to a magnifying glass, the system is able to determine whether or not the material was generated by a machine. What are the benefits? The entire watermarking strategy is Google's response to the problems that have arisen in the digital age as a result of artificial intelligence-generated content. First of all, it assists in the fight against deepfakes and fake news. AI is capable of producing incredibly realistic writing that has the potential to spread disinformation. Therefore, Google has added a watermark to ensure that content of this nature can be identified, which helps to reduce the amount of erroneous information that is circulated. There is also the possibility of using watermarking to prevent plagiarism, which is very important in educational environments. AI might be used by students to generate essays, which they could then pass off as their own authored work. For the purpose of ensuring academic credibility, teachers who are armed with AI detection technologies are able to recognize work that was generated by AI. The application of this watermarking strategy has far-reaching consequences across a variety of fields, including education especially. One example is that it can be utilized by businesses in order to maintain openness. When a company uses artificial intelligence to create marketing content or blogs, the watermark enables customers to be aware that AI was involved in the process, which in turn helps to build trust in the legitimacy of the brand. This also helps filter out spam and fraudulent reviews that are generated by artificial intelligence, which is an increasing problem on the internet. Additionally, watermarking can be used in the field of journalism and media to identify pieces that have been authored by artificial intelligence. This helps to prevent the dissemination of fake news, while also enabling news organizations to use AI for reporting on uncomplicated items, such as stock updates or sports scores. This tool will be utilized in the creative industry to guarantee the protection of unique work. Should artificial intelligence begin to imitate the writing styles of actual authors, the watermark will be able to trace the origin of the text, so ensuring that the creators receive the recognition they are due. In addition, the transparency of the role that AI plays in the process of content creation encourages the industry to make ethical use of the tools that are available. It is anticipated that watermarking will assist in clarifying ownership of work generated by artificial intelligence. As more content that was created by AI makes its way into the market, concerns regarding copyright and ownership are bound to surface. Watermarks offer a clear origin point that can assist in the resolution of copyright and ownership conflicts. What are the challenges? Google is still facing hurdles, despite the fact that watermarking text generated by AI is a pioneering innovation. It is possible that individuals will attempt to remove these watermarks, just as it is possible that persons will attempt to delete watermarks from photos. This presents a particular challenge. It is imperative that Google continues to develop the watermarking technology in order to make it resistant to manipulations of this kind. Obtaining widespread adoption among other businesses is another obstacle that must be overcome. Considering that big technology companies such as OpenAI and Microsoft are also participating in the production of artificial intelligence material, adopting a standard for watermarking that is consistent across all platforms will improve overall transparency. A third challenge is presented by short-form content. Although watermarking is an effective method for enhancing the appearance of lengthy pieces, its application in shorter texts such as tweets or emails requires additional optimization. It is possible that watermarking will spread beyond text in the future. For the purpose of combating disinformation, real-time detection of artificial intelligence-generated content on social media platforms could be of assistance. Additionally, watermarking for photographs, videos, and even audio may soon be in the works. This development represents the beginning of a digital world that is more transparent, one in which the origin of content can be validated across a variety of mediums. Making artificial intelligence more accountable and transparent is the goal of Google's text watermark program. An invisible marker is inserted into text that is generated by artificial intelligence by Google using the strategic application of steganography and cryptography. As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to play an increasingly important part in our everyday lives, this watermarking system is an essential instrument for establishing trust in the stuff that we come across. A future that is full of exciting possibilities lies ahead, and Google's watermarking system lays the framework for ethical use of artificial intelligence across a wide range of industries, including education, journalism, business, and more.